Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, MetaVerse Explorer, and I'm here to tell you how to use Aptos, or at least how to get started, because it is a new blockchain that might actually become popular because they have a whole bunch of backers with a whole bunch of money, and they have what looks like a bustling ecosystem that's about to go crazy. So this is just the website, right? But we're not going to get a lot of alpha from the website. What we actually want to do is go to Aptos Space. This has a lot. This is a Notion site. It's made by Alex and Xfunder. You can go to their websites. Oh, Pepe, hello. Hello, Mr. Pepe. Thank you very much for joining us. He wants you to like and subscribe because it's the bear market and you can see how sad he is. It's very unfortunate. Ciao. All right, so let's get started. Actually, in Aptos Space, you can actually see all the different protocols that are being built right now. This is the NFTs that are being built. These are DeFi applications. These are DEXs being built. And then we have wallets, marketplaces, lending, all of this sort of stuff. So what I'm actually going to walk you through here is we're going to look at Martian, which is the number one wallet for Aptos. After that, we're going to look at sending transactions in and out of Martian. So you can send like to the same wallet or to a different wallet. And then we'll look at a name service or even the NFT marketplace, right? So many different things we can look at. First off, let's go to Martian. This is the Aptos Twitter account, of course, 100,000 followers, aptos.com. And this is Martian, the number one NFT wallet for Aptos at the moment. Go ahead and go to martian.wallet. It's a browser extension. You can add it to Brave or Chrome or I don't think Firefox. It's a Chromium browser extension. So you can add to the browser, right? Make sure you only click on the official one. Make sure it's got at least 10,000 downloads, right? Because most of them are scams. Get the one that's 50,000 users. I've already installed it myself, and I've already created my own wallet. If you're not sure how to create your own wallet, there's lots of different applications out there. Feel free to go and look at them. But for now, download the Martian wallet, create an account, get your seed phrase, never share your seed phrase around, and then actually go into the Martian wallet, which I'm going to do right now. This is what it's going to look like. I'm going to log in here. Now, this is, Aptos is still on DevNet. It's not on public yet, but you can still experience it for yourself, right? Once you go in, you can get an airdrop yourself right now. Click on airdrop, and then it drops you a few APT, which is, the token, the gas token, the utility token of that blockchain. So that's 20,000 ATP. I'm going to request a few more airdrops because we're going to be transferring back and forth, right? So now I've got 60,000 ATP in one wallet. I'm going to go ahead and create another wallet. Look at this. You can add wallet right there. Now I'm going to create wallet number 3, account 3. So I'm actually on number 3 right now. I don't have any APT in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the address, which is copied to clipboard now. So I copied the address of wallet number 3. I'm going to go to wallet number 1, and I'm going to try and send some APT. Let's say 10,000, 1, 2, 3 APT. Excuse me as I stop that. Sorry about that. I'm going to send 10,000 APT to my wallet number 3, which we just created. You just saw me create. Preview this. I'm going to send it. The network fee is 4 APT. We don't know what the value of APT is at the moment because these are devnet tokens. I'm going to go ahead and send it. And then we can look at it on the Blockchain Explorer, view the information. This is the Blockchain Explorer for the Aptos, right? This is where you can visualize everything that's happening on the blockchain. This is the transaction hash, okay? And this is the sender, which is my DevNet wallet. Sends today. This is the hash again. The status was successful. The gas used was 4, and the execution was successful. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and go to my Aptos wallet and actually see account number 3 and see how much is in there. Look at that. I got my 10,000 APT. That was very, very quick. Transaction speeds are super fast on Aptos, right? We're just playing around with it. So that's basically just a small intro to Aptos itself and the Martian wallet. What we're actually going to do now, let's go back to Aptos Space and look at Topaz NFT market, okay? We can look at Topaz, and then we can look at getting maybe a Aptos name service for yourself, right? So this is the number one NFT marketplace on Aptos at the moment. Let's go ahead and connect my wallet. I've connected it now. Let's go ahead and explore. These are Aptos names, Sol3 Dev. Man, look at these. Floor price of 700,000, 300 Azuki. Let's just go and buy. This is not the official Azuki on Ethereum. This is a knockoff version, okay? Knockoff version, guys, knockoff. So this is 300 Aptos. I'm going to buy Azuki number 1. I'm going to buy this now, and you'll see Network fees are 59 APT. I'm gonna approve. Oh no, it's not gonna go ahead. Why? Why? Maybe because it's already been sold. Let's go ahead and buy another one. Zuki number 2. Can I buy this? Oh no, you still can't buy it. Don't know why. Let's go ahead and buy something else, shall we? Aptos name service. Now the Aptos name service is actually pretty cool. Look at this, 50,000 Aptos. I'm going to go ahead and request an airdrop. Or even this one. This one's easy. This one's only 5,000 Aptos. 5,000 Aptos. Let's buy now. And let's approve the transaction. You can see here it's going to cost me 5,000. The network cost is 75 Aptos. And I'm going to approve. Sorry, you might not be able to actually see all of this. There, you can probably see all of that now. Sorry about that. Let's increase it a bit more for you. Yeah, there you can see. All right, so I've actually got this item now. Let's go ahead and look at my profile. This is a new NFT that I've just created for myself. Look at that. Look at that. That's in there. 711 Thuan.aptos. That's my Aptos name now. I own this NFT, even though it's on devnet. It's not real yet. It's not on mainnet. But still, I can list this item. We can try. I'm going to list it for 5123 Aptos. I'm going to go ahead and approve. It's going to cost me 44 Aptos. Oh, Pepe, thank you very much for liking and subscribing, everyone. Thank you for liking and subscribing right now. Now, I've listed this for 5,123 Aptos, which is pretty cool, okay? There's a whole bunch of other stuff. They do have a launchpad, but let's leave Topaz NFT at the moment. Let's actually go to the Aptos name service. Let's go to their website so that we can learn about them. Where? I forget how to get to them. Discord collection. I forgot how to get to their website from here. Never mind. So there's a lot of other stuff here you can see as well, right? There's Notify. There's a whole bunch of other meme coins and stuff. Not really interested. There's Aptos University to learn. Because Aptos uses Move language, which is relatively new. They have some DEXs, Pontem network. We can actually have a look at Pontem. Let's go over there. Let's launch the app. I love it that you can just once you have the Web3 wallet, you can easily go to these protocols and experience them yourself, right? So let's go ahead and connect. Oh no, why? It's telling me to connect with something else. Oh no. Okay, no, I'm not going to use you. That's fine. I can go to somewhere else. Let's not use Pontem. Let's go to another lending and borrowing service. Maybe Swap Protocol, Foil Labs. No, Twitter. We need something that's live, ladies and gentlemen. Delta Money, is that live? No. Man, these protocols need to get their website up and going. Stablecoin, Aptos Monkeys, Aptos Toad Overload. There's lots of different things to actually do. Aptos Swap, is that available? Is the app available? No, the app is not here. Man. So, as you can see, it's still devnet, right? The chain is not on public yet. The people are still experiencing Aptos itself. So hopefully I've been able to show you how to how to get the wallet first and how to experience some things, at least buy and sell an NFT, just to experiment with it, right? Just to experiment with it. They have some Topaz Punk NFTs. Look at this. Look at this. They're all unlisted. Punks are overrated, especially if they're not the original punks. They need to be the OG punks. Otherwise, no, not really worth it. Now, so I'm going to leave there. We can actually look at the Explorer as well and look. These are all the different transactions that are still happening. People are using this for gas fees, and we can look at this transaction hash and see if we can go into it. So this was the sender. I wonder if he's got some Aptos in there. I can't read any of this. This is still early stage, right? They need to make it human readable because people can't read it. It's very obvious, right? Now, let's go back and look at the careers. Who are they actually hiring for at the moment in Aptos? They need partnerships people. They need data scientists, marketing, communications, social media and content manager. Hey guys. They have HR people they need, engineering. Look at all these people they need. You know why they're hiring so much? Because they just raised a whole bunch of money. It's like $300 or $300 million or something like that. A crazy, crazy amount. So they're cashed up right now, and they need people to come and build this product. All right, I'm going to leave it here. This has been MetaVerse Explorer. I'm going to make more videos on Topaz itself. I'm going to keep going at the... I'm going to make videos on Aptos, sorry. This is the Aptos name service. Let's actually go ahead and find something if we can. Let's find a name so that we can buy one for ourselves. Let's go MetaVerse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if that's available. Hey, it is available. MetaVerse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is available. Let's go ahead and connect. I'm going to go ahead and buy this, right? I'm going to buy this NFT, and it's going to cost no Aptos at the moment, but the transaction fees are still 70 Aptos. I'm going to go ahead and do this so you can see. It's 70 Aptos at the moment. Let's go ahead and approve. Hey, and hopefully I own this NFT now. Let's go ahead and go to the NFT section. I bought this MetaVerse 123 ages ago. This one should be coming up fairly soon. Buy again. Approve. Done. Hey, done. I own MetaVerse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's awesome. That's awesome, right? Look at that. And this is the address that owns it. Owned by me. Very good. How easy was it to buy a name for yourself? Awesome. Awesome. Now, if you want more airdrops, you want to play around, just request more airdrops. It's very easy. You can send it to anyone. You can send... Now, let's actually see if this works. I'm going to go to Aptos, my third wallet. I'm going to go to my third wallet. And I'm going to try and send some money. Send 53 to this one. No, it doesn't. Oh, it does recognize the name service. Amazing. Look at that. I'm going to send that. And that's amazing. If it recognizes it immediately, that's awesome. That's like one step ahead of most places. And then let's see our recent transactions. Not yet. I haven't gotten it yet. But these are the NFTs that we still have now, and you can visualize them in your wallet. Have I gotten this? No, I don't have it yet. Let's refresh. No, I haven't gotten it yet. Why not? Did it send from this wallet? Yeah, it sent from this wallet. Awesome. So that's the transaction hash. And did it go to this wallet? No, not yet. It hasn't been arrived yet. Anyway, let's see if it'll come. I'm going to leave it here, ladies and gentlemen. If you want more videos on Aptos, just leave a comment down below. Have you tried it yourself? What do you think about it? And of course, like and subscribe for Dancing Pepe because he is super sad right now. It's the bear market. All right, I'm going to leave it here. Ciao for now.